All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've got some new hair, new wig. Y'all know what the deal is for you guys. So if you're interested in this super invisible lace wig, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this wig is from Supernova Hair. I'm wearing their 180% density 22-inch body wave wig with their new LY lace, which is super undetectable, super invisible. I'm freaking in love with it. So let me give you guys a closer shot right here. What lace? Oh my goodness. It's really thin. It matches almost everyone's skin tone, you guys, and I am all the way here for it. So with this LY lace, the double knots are less visible than the regular knots due to their new technology, and just giving you guys a little bit more of a closer shot as well. And it's just much easier to like really melt this lace versus like, you know, regular lace. So I don't really work with this type of lace often, and because of that, and because it was like so transparent in my opinion, and I don't have the best vision, it was kind of hard for me to see like where the lace was. So I didn't bring it as far like on my forehead as I wanted to. So keep that in mind as you kind of go through this video. But it is very easy to like melt this lace. I just used one layer of freeze spray, y'all, and that was it. And just made sure it was blow dried very, very well. Honestly, this wig is ready to wear, like right out of the box. I could have really just left it like this, but instead I'm gonna do a little bit more. So first I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just using my Baby Bliss flat iron, and I will link, or I will put this flat iron in my Amazon store, so make sure you check that out. Everything that I typically use, like if you see in my videos, no matter really the video, if you see me using it all the time and things that I love, it's always going to be in my Amazon store, so make sure you click that link. So next I'm gonna go in and just put some baby hair in. I didn't really do too much, but I really didn't want to do like any at all, but I'm just so used to it and haven't really practiced the no baby hair method. But yeah, I kind of just feel like with this lace and this wig, like hairline, everything, you don't really need it. Like you don't need baby hair. So if you're someone who just, you know, you're not a baby hair kind of person, then this is gonna be a really great wig for you. It may need a little bit more customizing. I wouldn't even say plucking at the hairline, just a little bit more customizing. But now that I think of it, kind of like not. I don't know. I think that's just something that's personal preference. For me, I was cool with it and I went with it and it worked. Another thing with this lace, you guys, you can see my wig cap like right here as I'm taking my flat iron, my hot comb through it. You can see my wig cap, and I didn't realize that because I don't know, I'm just so used to having it on. You guys see me with the same color wig cap all the time, and I forget whenever I do anything with like transparent lace, I really have to push it back. So if you do like the ball cap method, which I've never done on my channel and I don't think I will ever do, but if you do the ball cap method or something like that, I think that would be perfect for this type of wig and that kind of lace, like this transparent lace. But if you do not, just make sure that your wig cap is pushed back a little bit further, because this lace is so transparent, it will definitely pick up like you see on me, which I mean, it is what it is. And you know, yeah, so I did not push the wig back like I mentioned in the beginning of the video as far as I wanted to. So the baby hair, the hairline was not the best for me, but I was just doing a deep side part anyways, and I was like, you know what, we'll worry about it another day. So it covered the left side of my hair, so it was all good. So yeah, so just to finish up like final touches on this wig, I'm just going to add some hairspray. This is the Got to Be Volumatic. I can't remember what it is, but it'll be in my Amazon store. It gives a really nice hold. It's not too heavy, not too hard or anything like that. So just added some hairspray, and then I'm just gonna define the part with a little bit of foundation and powder, and then that's really it, y'all. But this wig initially is beautiful. It's super just like natural. The lace is amazing. This LY lace is everything, and I think if this is something that you wanted to go with, you'd be happy with. So all my moms on the go who just don't have time, my business women, like my executives and all y'all, because y'all doing good things and big things this year, all my students, like I think this is just something that you would love because it's super natural, easy to apply, easy to style, and they did a really great job. So good job, Supernova Hair, on this wig. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. I'm just trying to see how it would look if I cut it. Ooh, if you like got this wig in like 18 inches or 16, oh, it'd be so beautiful. Anyways, put your comments and questions down below. You know, I'll answer you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.